Hello, I'm Mrs. J, and welcome to my math class. So today, Chapter 5, we're going to look at the CoReq part of the course, and mostly it's about finding averages and then some weighted averages. So we're finding the averages of these numbers. We could just add all of them up and divide by how many there are. And so if we added them up, 10, 20, 30, 40, we'd have 45. And we divide by how many there are. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9. And 45 divided by 9 is 5. What happens when they're all the same? You would think the average would be the same, but let's find out. Add them all up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Divided by how many there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, it's the same. Okay, how about this one? These numbers, if we want to find the average, we need to add them up. So 2 plus 5 plus 3, 6, and 9. 3, 6, 9, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them. So when we're just doing a basic average, you just add up how many there are, and then you divide by, you add them all up, and then you divide by how many there are. This next part's weighted. When you have a weighted one, there were 3 tests that were 75, 5 tests that were 88, and 2 tests that were 90. So it doesn't always have to have a percentage when you're talking about weighting. They could also be how many there are, rather than taking 75 3 times and then 88 5 times. You can group them together. So 3 times 75 gives me all of the points for the 75. And then 5 of them for 88. And 2 of them at 90. And if we take that and divide by how many there were, 5, 8, 10, that will give us our average. So if we take 3 times 75 plus 5 times 88 plus 2 times 90, we get 845 divided by 10 is 84.5. And there goes my, there we go. So we multiplied out the top and got 845 divided by 10. The average on these scores would be an 84.5. Let's look at a grade point average problem. Mike has a 2.9 cumulative GPA with 45 credits. So far he's had 45 credits and his grade point average is a 2.9. This semester he took 15 credits and had a grade point average of 3.4. What is his new cumulative GPA? Well, you take your GPA times your credits. So 45 credits times the 2.9. And then 15 credits is a 3.4. Remember, when you're finding your grade point average, that gives us the quality points, and then we divide by the total credits. So doing the top, 45 times 2.9 plus 15 times 3.4. Our quality points are 181.5. And we're dividing by 40, 50, 60. So his new cumulative GPA will be a 3.025. So you find your quality points, divide by the total credits, and now it'll be 3.025. That's everything with the CoReq for this section.